Line. All the skin I open until the root. Line. All the skin I open until the root. After I open the skin, someone help, they catch this one. I remove the skin. All fresh animals should be do postmortem. Okay. So first thing, fresh dye should be do postmortem. More than 3 hour dye, this one can put down. Okay. I take the other leg, catch. So I continue. Open the skin here. Okay. So now I have this look. So I can see this look. First thing I see this look. Final. Also I see if have uterus, I can see the baby here. This is the kidney. This is right kidney. I see the liver also. All this one inside the abdomen cavity. All this one abdomen. See, liver not normal. You see, what I do for liver, I cut. See, very crashy and color not normal. So that's mean liver not work much. I see the gallbladder. Okay, this is the kidney. Can take kidney, I make cut like this. I see the nephron inside. Kidneys look like normal. No any infection in the kidney. But liver problem. Why liver problem? A lot of bacteria in the body, they give toxin. Toxin go to liver. Liver catch the toxin. Okay. The abdomen, I can see also the general. Small intestinal, see, lot of congestion. This one because infected, bacterial infected. After Roman here, I can see reticulum. This is reticulum. This is omizum. I open the reticulum also can. This is the omizum, not reticulum. See this one, empty. Only stone. So this is reticulum. If this one empty, this one nothing. You see inside. Nothing. Only very hungry, no food. She didn't rumination. Okay, we go to the other side, thoracic. How to open thoracic? This is the diaphragm. I want to see the lung. Can cut this one first. To the end, I broke it. Then I open this, the diaphragm, Diaphragm, open. I can see. You see inside? What you have? The lung. This is lung. Why this one? Why this one black? Congestion here, bleeding, hematoma. Why? Because long time sleep. Long time sleep, the blood has come down here. So you can continue open. Touch it. This one, the right side. Right. I want to see the left side. Left side is bowel. See? This is left side. Left side, nothing. See? Why no congestion here? Not black? Because this one, when she sleep the side, no blood come here. Blood come down. This down. She sleep in the right side. The heart, I can open the pericardium. See, that's why she died. Heart muscle is not strong enough. See, normally when we cut the animal, you remember, did you see the heart before? The heart should be strong, yes, like eggs. But this one she collapse. That's mean muscle is very weak. No nutrition. Okay. I see the muscle also very weak, but nothing inside. Still healthy, but very weak because animal long time no eat. Why no eat? Nobody say. Nobody. Intestinal. You want check Roman also contact? Can open.
But
Actually,
this
she
much
eat.
of food.
Not this is not much, but the problem is because pregnant too, she got toxemia.
Oh, yeah.
Toxemia and this problem no absorb. So reticulum empty, no rumination, no add. If she add food, she will ruminate. This one should be full. Then this one should be full, but empty or congestion. We're supposed to be take this one to the lab. Then they see what bacteria here. But we don't have lab here. We don't have time to take. Last day I am here. If we find one, I take sample with me. Like him today, cannot. I cannot take and keep in the room for 3 days. Yes. This one. You take photo for this one, sister. Take the skin. They open the leg. I see all carcass. Then I open the abdomen. I check up kidney, liver, intestinal, rumen, abomasum, recumbency. Sometimes you find a balloon with water. This is the bladder. Urine. Sometimes, baby, you will find uterus here. Okay. I check up all. I take photo. I take sample. If need sample, you take small, like this. This one is enough. I put in plastic. I put the number of animal, and I put liver. I put in the ice. Okay, to send to the lab if needed. If no lab, see this one. I crush. Easy. Very big damage. Okay. That's why I suggest levoxy. You know the levoxy drench? This to fix this. They should give all very fast. Any ivermectin here.
Nhớ thầy của mày đi.
Side. Hey, yes. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. This is big animal. 20 seconds. The white.
Boleh bawa sana tak? Kalau kaki dia tu.
Digestion, not like us.
Oh, okay.
So no much enzyme to digest this one. They digest by bacteria. The grass is more better.
Okay.
I think he got infection by worm. So
Worm.
give him the worm. I
Okay.
give him some antibiotic for inflammatory for digestive system.
Okay.
So maybe get infection.
Okay.
think we give him something to stop the area.
You got medicine?
Ah, yeah. We will give him.